Hey there, welcome to our channel. And if you want to manage your task and manage a project, and you want to get your all the tasks in one place and decorate and track all the progress, and you want to make it easy and manage all of them with ease, then this video is for you. So Google Task is one of the cool and free feature or web app that can help you to manage your task and present it in a professional way. So you can do is, first you have to open your browser and you can simply search for task, or you can click on this six dot button at the top right corner, and from here you can probably find the task, or if you can find it, you can add it from this Google Workspace, this Workspace marketplace here. Now you have to simply search for Google Task Manager, and from here the task management here, or Google Task on here. So you can click on it and you can find the Google Task. Here you can see I'm already managing a task here. You can also do that in this way and track your all the to-do work that you have to do, and you can categorize them in their importance, in the point of view, in their importance, or in different types of category. So for example, if I create a new one, so if you want to create a new task, then you simply click on this create button plus create button, and here you have to simply add the title of the task that you want to name for, like you want to recognize it. Now for example, I want to add like research, and then here is the date and the time. So you can select the date. If you click on it, a calendar will be open up and you can select a date, also the month and the year if you want. So you can use this arrow icon to select the month you want. So for example, this month here, and you can also select the time here, so you can find the time. So from here you can select the time from here, and you can select if it's for all day or for a single task. So you can repeat, you can simply click on this drop down button, and if this task will be repeat every day, then you can select daily. But if it are repeating, or if you do research or the task in a specific date, like weekly on Tuesday, or monthly on day 8, or annually July 8, like this, or you can use it custom here. So you can simply customize them when you want to do the task. For example, repeats every 3 days. So I want to repeat our research on a specific topic after every 3 days at this time, and here is the start date here, and the ends is never, or you can set a deadline like after or on the specific date, or you can set after that how much occurrence. So if it you have, for example, I have added 10, so that's mean after 10 time research it will automatically be completed, this task will be automatically completed. So you can select it occurrences, or you can select a specific date when you want to end this task. So simply click on done, and you can add a description about the task, that what is for, or any type of reminder you want to do. So here is the list where you can add it. So here you can see there is a more of the list from here, so you can add all of this list here. You can see that are actually added to this drop down section. So like this, simply save, and you can see it has just added. And there's this is actually a basic thing. So if you want to create a new list, a whole new list, then you can find create new list button here. Simply click on that and you can name the list. So for example, SEO, the search engine optimization project. So for example, I'm actually managing a SEO project. Now I'm going to track my each and every task for on my project. So you can find this here. You can see it has just added a card, a task card here. After that, you can also place it whenever you want. Just hold on that card, just left click and hold on that card here, like in this name here, and you can place it wherever you want to set it, like this. And if you want to get it from black and you want to start it from scratch, So it pretty much should look like this. Let me just close all the tasks from here. Here is the task that you have, the list that you have added. So whenever you want, you can make it appear like this. You just need to click on this checkbox, or if you uncheck this box here, it will disappear from your dashboard. So there is only one dashboard in Google Tasks. So you have to do is, let me just create a list. So I'm going to create a list, for example, so as your project, and hit done, and here is a card here. So in this project we have to do, first we have to do keyword research. So I have just added a task by simply click on this add a task button here. Now you can add the details. Simply click on details here. You can add details that research. So as you can see, I have added a description here. So when you have added a description, now you can set the deadline here. So today the task, you can select the task. Here it is. Now you can add a repeat date here. So set the time here. You can set the time from here, or the repeat. Let me show you like this, and repeat. So if you click on it, the same as I have shown you earlier in this video with this create button here. So this is the same process. So you can add it like start at this date, and it will be on for here is the deadline. So I'm going to set a deadline for this date here, or this let me show you here. So we are going to add this deadline here. Simply click on done, and from here if you click on done, so it will appear daily at this time here. Now you can find it or you can set it not to repeat. If you don't want to add repeat, then you can do is you can set it weekly, month, or year. You can repeat like this. I'm going to month here, simply click on OK, and just like this. And also you can use this button here. So add it like I'm going to use this on page SEO, and I'm going to add the time here like today, and repeat like daily. So I'm going to add a description, 5 pages on page SEO like this, and we are going to add it to this card here. Simply save. So you can see we have just added here. So we can place it or organize it or align it as we want. You can find this 6 dot button here. You can hold on that button and you can place it wherever you want. Also you can add it to start here. So like task here, you can simply click on this 3 dot button. You can delete it, delete a task easily by simply click on this. So we are going to add another one. So you have to simply click on add a task, and we are going to add off page SEO, and we're also going to add this today. And if we click on it, like repeat, yes, set time. So we are going to set this time here, repeat, and yes, one just like this, simply done. And here you can see we have just added another one from here. Also this will also, if you find this cross icon, that means you can stop the repeating. Now if I want to add more card here for specific card for this on page, off page, and the keyword research, so we can add more charities that create new list. So we're going to add like keyword research, and here's the done, and we have added it. Now we're going to add more here. So you can see we have just added two more card here, that list here. So we are going to add more. We can add more tasks here. So you can add like 50 keyword. Sorry for that. 50 keyword for page A, like this. We can add more of them. 50 keyword for page B. So we have added this like here. So we can place it as like, we can align this here. Now we can maintain the serial. Also, if you want to copy a task or move a task from one place to another place, for example, I have added a task from here like on page SEO for page A. I have mistakenly added this task here, but it belongs to this list. So we can just hold the task here and drag it to that card here, and we can place it. When we find this line here, this blue line here, we can release this and it will be added to this list. So that's how you can just do it. Also, we can copy these titles here and we can place it here. And if you want to complete a task, for example, we are going to add more tasks from here. For example, let me finish this of page SEO for page A. Now the first here, second here, and this will be like you have just completed this keyword research done, and it has just completed. It has gone to the completed. Now you can find this here, this circle icon and the tick mark. So this is done, and here is it is completed, and all tasks are completed. You can find again all tasks are completed here. So we have just completed all the tasks here. Now you can see it has just showing that. So we are that you can see that completed keyword research, and again keyword research completed. So all tasks is completed. That means those all tasks also completed. So that's like you can find all the completed tasks from here. Now you can do is you can make any task favorite, that you can find a start icon. So if you click on a start icon, then it will show you in the start that here you can see some task I have added to the favorite task. That's why it's showing, it's appear like a start. Now this 3 horizontal line button will help you to appear or disappear the main menu. Now we can do is we can go to the calendar. If we are on calendar here, then you can see it will be synced with the calendar here. So here you can see the date. We have just added that of page SEO, so that at that specific time. So you can see more here, the on page SEO at that exact time here. So in this date, in this exact date. So from here you can find the task here. So if you can find all of your tasks from here, make sure that you have selected the task, so you can find it on your calendar organized according to the date and the time. So it is the specific date and then time here. So you can also change it to the calendar here, like task here. You can simply click on task and it will show you the task again. It will just lead you to the task, and calendar will help you to get into the calendar. Also you can go with the monthly. Here it is, the monthly calendar, where you can find all the tasks here that earlier I have added. So that's how you can just manage your task with this task manager, Google Tasks. So it's pretty cool. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.